Alright guys, in this video we'll be looking at a question from the P2 book, which is from the Edexcel syllabus. Right, so this is the question we have. So a straight line L passes through A, which is 1 comma 3 root 3, and B, which is 2 plus root 3, 3 plus 4 root 3. So we have to show that the line L meets the x-axis at the point minus 2 0. So let's get into it, right? Okay, so the first thing is that we need to mark the information that they've given us. So let me just draw a straight line, and point A will be 1 comma 3 root 3, right? And the point B will be 2 plus root 3 comma 3 plus 4 root 3, right? All right, then we need to show that this line is going to meet the x-axis at this particular point, right? So my first approach would be to find the equation of this line. So to find the equation of this line, I need to find the gradient first. So let me find the gradient. So the gradient will be basically y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So basically the difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates, right? So we have 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 minus 1, right? So we have 3 plus 1 root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Alright, so this is the gradient. Then we can find, so we can simplify this a bit. 3 plus root 3 over 1 plus root 3, right? So then we can find the general point on this line, which is xy, and we can find the gradient in terms of that as well. So that will be 1 minus y minus 3 root 3 divided by x minus 1, right? So then what we can do is basically we can uh, equate these two equations. So y minus 3 root 3 over x minus 1, we can equate it to 3 plus root 3 over 1 plus root 3, right? All right, then when it's meet, like we're supposed to find show that the L meets the x-axis at this particular point. So if this is the coordinate axis, and we need to find at which point the line L will meet the x-axis. So that particular point, we know that y should be 0, right? X is what we have to find here, really, right? So let me just plug in 0 here instead of y. So we'll have minus 3 root 3 0 x minus 1 over 3 plus root 3 1 plus root 3. Got it? All right, then we just have to solve this for x, right? So we have to solve for x, right? So how are you gonna do that? Yep. All right, so what we can do is we can take this to the other side and write it like this. So we have 1 plus root 3, 3 plus root 3, and then we can distribute this. So we will be having 3 times 3 is 9, that should be 9 as well. So 3, right? So we can basically just say this is equal to x minus 1. Then I can just take minus 3 outside, which will give me something like this. Yeah, so these two will cancel off, and I will have x minus 1, and minus 3 will be equal to x minus 1, where x is equal to minus 2. Right? So like I mentioned earlier, the y coordinate is 0, and I just found the x coordinate. So this particular point will be minus 2 0. So I think the question was clear. So we'll meet with more questions, and if you have suggestions or maybe a new method of doing it, please do comment in the comment section, and we'll meet with a new video.